Picture this. You're hosting a lively dinner party, cocktails are flowing, and everyone's craving that perfect, chewable nugget ice to elevate their drinks. But your freezer's ice trays are empty, and the store is miles away. Enter this Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker countertop, a sleek, black powerhouse that delivers 44 pounds of soft, crunchy pebble ice in just 24 hours. This self-cleaning, compact machine is a game-changer for home entertainers, office workers, and ice enthusiasts alike. In this review, we'll explore why this sonic ice maker is a must-have, diving into its features, benefits, and unmatched convenience. Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker Countertop Review, your ultimate chewable ice solution. Nothing beats the satisfaction of sipping a drink chilled with soft, chewable nugget ice. Those perfect, crunchy pellets that make every beverage feel like a treat. The Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker countertop delivers just that, producing 44 pounds of pebble ice in 24 hours with a first batch ready in just 7 to 10 minutes. This black, compact, self-cleaning machine is designed for homes, kitchens, offices, and even small businesses, offering a steady supply of sonic ice without the hassle of store runs. With its user-friendly controls, automatic cleaning, and portable design, it's no wonder this nugget ice maker is a top choice for ice lovers. Let's dive into what makes this countertop ice machine a standout and why it deserves a spot in your space. Solving your ice woes with ease. Running out of ice during a party or craving that restaurant-style nugget ice at home can be a real buzzkill. Traditional ice trays are slow and tedious, and built-in freezer ice makers are often impractical for small spaces or on-the-go needs. The Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker solves these problems with lightning-fast production and a compact, portable design. Whether you're mixing cocktails, chilling sodas, or snacking on ice, this machine ensures you're always ready with fresh, chewable pebble ice. Say goodbye to ice shortages and hello to effortless refreshment. Key features that make the Euhomy shine. The Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker is packed with features that combine performance, convenience, and style. Here's what sets it apart. Rapid ice production. Produces the first batch of soft, chewable nugget ice in just 7 to 10 minutes, with a daily capacity of 44 pounds, perfect for parties, offices, or daily use. Chewable nugget ice. Delivers soft, crunchy pellet ice that's ideal for snacking, cocktails, sodas, or any drink that needs a refreshing chill. Automatic cleaning system. Press the Clean button to activate a 20-minute self-cleaning cycle, eliminating the need for manual scrubbing and ensuring hygienic ice. User-friendly operation. Simple controls with an ICE button to start production and a light button to illuminate the ice-making process, even in dim settings. Compact and portable. Measures 13.98 by 9.84 by 14.96 inches, fitting easily on countertops or tabletops, and comes with a 1.8L water tank and removable 1.6-pound ice basket. Quiet performance. Operates quietly, blending seamlessly into your kitchen or office without disruptive noise. Sleek design. The black finish adds a modern touch, complementing any decor while being easy to clean. Note: blue/green tint is just a protective film. Reliable support, backed by responsive customer service to address any questions or issues promptly. These features make the Euhomy a versatile, high-performing appliance that delivers restaurant-quality ice at home. Benefits that elevate your experience. Why choose the Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker over other countertop ice machines? Here are the top benefits. Endless ice supply. With 44 pounds of ice daily, you'll never run out, whether you're hosting a crowd or enjoying a quiet night in. Perfect nugget texture. The soft, chewable pebble ice enhances drinks and snacks, offering a satisfying crunch without being too hard on your teeth. Hassle-free maintenance. The automatic cleaning system saves time and ensures every batch of ice is fresh and safe, making upkeep a breeze. Space-saving versatility. Its compact size fits anywhere, from small kitchens to RVs, making it ideal for home, office, or travel. Effortless operation. Intuitive controls and indicator lights make ice production simple, even for first-time users. These benefits translate to real-world convenience, ensuring you spend less time worrying about ice and more time enjoying it. Who is the Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker perfect for? This ice maker is a dream come true for anyone who loves nugget ice or needs a reliable ice supply. It's ideal for Party hosts. Keep drinks chilled for large gatherings, from barbecues to holiday parties, without constant refills. Ice enthusiasts. If you love chewing ice or crave that Sonic-style texture, this machine delivers the perfect pebble ice for snacking or sipping. Small business owners. Cafes, food trucks, or offices benefit from its high output and compact design, saving space and costs. Campers and RV travelers. The portable size and lightweight build make it perfect for outdoor adventures or road trips. Busy households. Families who need quick, fresh ice for daily drinks, kids' snacks, or meal prep will love its speed and ease. No matter your lifestyle, the Euhomy fits seamlessly, delivering ice whenever and wherever you need it. Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. Pros and cons. Pros. Rapid ice production. Delivers 44 pounds of nugget ice in 24 hours, with the first batch ready in 7 to 10 minutes. Chewable nugget ice. Soft, crunchy pebble ice perfect for drinks, snacking, or cocktails. Self-cleaning system. 20-minute automatic cleaning cycle ensures hygienic ice and easy maintenance. Compact and portable. Measures 13.98 by 9.84 by 14.96 inches. Ideal for kitchens, offices, or camping. User-friendly design. Simple controls with ICE and light buttons, plus a transparent window to view ice making. Quiet operation. Low noise level, blending seamlessly into any environment. Sleek black finish. Modern look complements any decor. Blue/green tint is removable protective film. Versatile use, perfect for parties, small businesses, RVs, or daily household needs. Cons. Small water tank. 1.8 L tank may need frequent refills during heavy use, like large gatherings. Minor noise. Produces a slight hum during operation, which may be noticeable in very quiet settings. Real-world performance. Why it excels in action. The Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker lives up to its hype. The 7 to 10-minute first batch is a lifesaver for last-minute gatherings, producing soft, chewable nuggets that elevate everything from iced coffee to margaritas. The 1.8 L water tank supports continuous production, and the removable ice basket makes serving a breeze. The self-cleaning function is a standout, taking just 20 minutes to keep the machine spotless, perfect for busy users. Its compact size fits neatly on any countertop, and the illuminated interior adds a fun, interactive touch, letting you watch the ice form. The black finish is sleek and modern, though the protective film, blue/green, needs removal for the true look. Compared to pricier models like the GE Opal, the Euhomy offers similar performance at a more affordable price, making it a top value pick. Minor drawbacks to keep in mind. While the Euhomy is impressive, it's not flawless. The 1.8 L water tank may require frequent refills during heavy use, such as large parties. Some users note minor noise during operation, though it's generally quiet compared to competitors. These are small trade-offs for the machine's speed, quality, and convenience, but worth noting for heavy users or those sensitive to sound. Why the Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker is a must-have. The Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker countertop is more than an appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Its rapid ice production, chewable nugget texture, and self-cleaning ease make it a standout for anyone who loves refreshing drinks or entertaining guests. The compact design fits any space, from cozy apartments to bustling offices, while the sleek black finish adds a touch of class. Don't let ice shortages derail your next event or daily routine. Invest in this reliable, high-performing ice maker and enjoy endless pebble ice on demand. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab your Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.